Watch video 10 on Chapter 2, Concept and Role of a Mutual Fund from the Workbook for NISM Series VA, Mutual Fund Distributors Certification Examination, and review the multiple choice questions and answers. 1. What does the investment universe in mutual funds refer to? A. The size of the mutual fund. B. The variety of stocks in a fund. C. Where the scheme may invest money. D. The amount of money invested in a fund. Answer: C. Where the scheme may invest money. 2. Which of the following is not a type of investment universe mentioned? A. Equity funds. B. Money market funds. C. Gold funds. D. Real estate funds. Answer: D. Real estate funds. 3. What is a further classification within equity funds? A. Hybrid funds. B. Large cap and mid cap funds. C. Money market funds. D. International funds. Answer: B. Large cap and mid cap funds. 4. How many broad categories of mutual fund schemes are there according to SEBI? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Answer: C. 5. 5. Which of the following is not a broad category of mutual fund schemes under SEBI regulation? A. Equity schemes. B. Debt schemes. C. Hybrid schemes. D. Real estate schemes. Answer: D. Real estate schemes. 6. What is the minimum investment in equity and equity-related instruments for a multi-cap fund? A. 50% of total assets. B. 65% of total assets. C. 75% of total assets. D. 85% of total assets. Answer: C. 75% of total assets. 7. What percentage of a multi-cap fund's assets must be invested in large-cap companies? A. 15%. B. 25%. C. 35%. D. 45%. Answer: B. 25%. 8. How are large-cap companies defined according to SEBI? A. Companies ranked 1st to 100th in terms of full market capitalization. B. Companies ranked 101st to 250th in terms of full market capitalization. C. Companies ranked 251st onwards in terms of full market capitalization. D. Companies ranked 1st to 50th in terms of full market capitalization. Answer: A. Companies ranked 1st to 100th in terms of full market capitalization. 9. What is the minimum investment in large cap companies for a large cap fund? A. 50% of total assets. B. 60% of total assets. C. 80% of total assets. D. 90% of total assets. Answer: C. 80% of total assets. 10. What is the minimum investment in mid-cap companies for a mid-cap fund? A. 25%. B. 35%. C. 45%. D. 65%. Answer: D. 65%. 11. Which type of equity scheme invests in both large cap and mid cap companies? A. Multi-cap fund. B. Large and mid cap fund. C. Mid cap fund. D. Small cap fund. Answer: B. Large and mid cap fund. 12. What is the minimum investment in small cap companies for a small cap fund? A. 55% of total assets. B. 65% of total assets. C. 75% of total assets. D. 85% of total assets. Answer: B. 65% of total assets. 13. Which type of fund predominantly invests in dividend-yielding stocks? A. Value fund. B. Contra fund. C. Dividend yield fund. D. Flexi cap fund. Answer: C. Dividend yield fund. 14. A value fund follows which type of investment strategy? A. Growth strategy. B. Value investment strategy. C. Short-term strategy. D. High-risk strategy. Answer: B. Value investment strategy. 15. What is the maximum number of stocks a focused fund can invest in? A. 15 stocks. B. 25 stocks. C. 30 stocks. D. 50 stocks. Answer, C. 30 stocks. 16. What is a sectoral/thematic fund focused on? A. A specific market capitalization. B. A specific sector or investment theme. C. Only large cap stocks. D. Fixed income instruments. Answer, B. A specific sector or investment theme. 17. What is a key feature of an equity-linked savings scheme, ELSS? A. It has a statutory lock-in period of 3 years. B. It invests only in large-cap stocks. C. It guarantees fixed returns. D. It is not regulated by SEBI. Answer, A. It has a statutory lock-in period of 3 years. 18. What type of fund invests dynamically across large-cap, mid-cap, and small-cap stocks? A. Sectoral fund. B. Multi-cap fund. C. Flexi-cap fund. D. Thematic fund. Answer, C. Flexi-cap fund. 19. What is an overnight fund? A. A fund that invests in securities with a maturity of 1 year. B. A fund that invests in securities with a maturity of 1 day. C. A fund that invests in mid-cap stocks. D. A fund that invests in real estate. Answer, B. A fund that invests in securities with a maturity of 1 day. 20. What is the maturity period of securities in a liquid fund? A. Up to 31 days. B. Up to 91 days. C. Up to 6 months. D. Up to 1 year. Answer, B. Up to 91 days. 21. An ultra-short duration fund invests in debt instruments with what Macaulay duration? A. 1 to 2 months. B. 3 to 6 months. C. 6 to 12 months. D. 1 to 2 years. Answer, B. 3 to 6 months. 22. What is the Macaulay duration for a short duration fund? A. 1 to 3 years. B. 3 to 4 years. C. 4 to 6 years. D. 6 to 12 months. Answer, A. 1 to 3 years. 23. What is the main characteristic of a credit risk fund? A. It invests only in government bonds. B. It invests in AA and below rated corporate bonds. C. It invests only in large cap stocks. D. It invests in high risk international funds. Answer, B. It invests in AA and below rated corporate bonds. 24. What percentage of total assets must be invested in floating rate instruments for a floater fund? A. 50%. B. 65%. C. 75%. D. 85%. Answer, B. 65%. 25. What is a gilt fund's primary investment? A. Corporate bonds. B. Government securities. C. International stocks. D. Real estate. Answer, B. Government securities. 26. What is the constant maturity for securities in a gilt fund with 10-year constant duration? A. 5 years. B. 7 years. C. 10 years. D. 15 years. Answer, C. 10 years. 27. Which type of fund invests in both fixed and floating rate instruments? A. Credit risk fund. B. Floater fund. C. Gilt fund. D. Sectoral fund. Answer, B. Floater fund. 28. How does SEBI categorize a dynamic bond fund? A. A fund investing only in short-term debt. B. A fund investing across various durations. C. A fund investing exclusively in corporate bonds. D. A fund that provides a fixed interest rate. Answer, B. A fund investing across various durations. 29. What defines a corporate bond fund? A. It invests in AA+ and above rated corporate bonds. B. It invests in government securities. C. It invests in international markets. D. It only invests in small cap companies. Answer, A. It invests in AA+ and above rated corporate bonds. 30. What is the minimum Macaulay duration for a medium to long duration fund? A. 1 year. B. 3 years. C. 4 years. D. 7 years. Answer, C. 4 years.